Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of getting out on the application of Netflix. You will click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list we will search about the application of Netflix. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we go to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your